If you're in the spirit, you can hear the sound. They are coming. You hear that sound? They are coming. They are not under their command. They are not under their command. They are under the command of the Almighty. Because His greatness is increasing everywhere. Kila mahali is increasing everywhere. People of God, think of one another. Think of your sister, your brother. When he calls, answer. We are here and we have been brought together by God, that we take care of one another and take care of other people who are unfortunate in one way or another. Avoid lies. Avoid lies. You are called and I am called. In verse number 11 of Micah 6 and verse 12, to run away from lies and liars. Liars don't care about God. Run away from them. God is calling you. God is calling me to avoid man-made worship.
Uabudu ambao umetengenezwa na mwanadamu.